If you're a farmer with center pivot irrigation, you know how very important it is to keep the machine running during the irrigation season. To help keep your machine running in tip-top condition, we've actually developed a service rig that allows us to quickly and efficiently service your irrigator in the off-season. It's our goal with servicing the machine that we can spot any potential problems with your irrigator and repair it before it becomes an issue. Let's take a more in-depth look at our service rig. To keep us comfortable while we're working, we've got it equipped with heating, air conditioning, leather seats, all the bells and whistles. We've created our service rig out of a Can-Am 6x6. This machine is actually 6-wheel drive, and with the 6 tires and lightweight design of everything, it really helps keep field compaction to a bare minimum. Let's take a look at the custom box that we made. We've got a custom aluminum box that we created. It has an onboard gas-powered air compressor. We've got an air-powered grease pump, and we've got an air-powered Valley V-Lube pump. Let's take a look at the other side. One of the nicest things we did when we built this machine is we put the Valley V-Lube on a hose reel with a gauge so that we can actually monitor how much gear lube we used on each customer's pivot. We really like this to keep things clean and not spill a bunch of oil. Another thing we have is a retractable air line with a digital air gauge. This air gauge actually measures to the 1/10 of a pound, and we work really hard to make sure that each tire is equally inflated. We want to put the tires at the correct pressure so that we minimize the wheel track depth. The other thing I really like about this rig is the retractable reel that we use to grease the pivot points. If you've greased a lot of irrigation center pivots, you know that it usually takes more than 1 tube of grease. So you crawl up with a grease gun, pump a tube of grease in it, crawl back down, and then have to change grease tubes. With this system, we can quickly and easily pump all the grease we need into the machine. We've also added a couple of custom boxes that we keep tools and parts in. We keep gearbox diaphragms on hand, drains, and torque wrenches and things of that nature. As I get older, one of the things that I've really come to appreciate is the custom platform we've put on our service rig. This allows us to quickly and easily get to the top of the irrigator and clean out sprinklers and dump the sand trap. I just love being able to stand on a nice level surface to being able to service the irrigator. Makes it much safer and easier. We service irrigators in the spring and fall all over southern Minnesota, western Wisconsin, and Iowa. If you'd like to get on our list, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We work on all brands and we'd be happy to work on yours. Thanks for watching.